Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Outrage this evening following a logistical nightmare today at Sangster International Airport in St. James.
A top-level investigation is underway to find out what led to the closure of the runway for several hours. The issue led to frustration and chaos.
We begin our extensive coverage this evening with scenes from Sangster International.
The hustle and bustle of the departure lounge at the Sangster International Airport. Luggage neatly positioned in a corner. Stranded passengers finding refuge in their cell phones. Others were so exhausted they abandoned their footwear, sleeping soundly on the ground.
We have loved ones back at home who we have to get to, and we have to get back to our lives. Some of us have jobs we have to go to and things like that.
I might go back to Chicago right now and don't have a job. Because I'm supposed to be at work 6:30 tomorrow morning.
I can't sit around at the airport too long because I get uncomfortable. I got back issues.
Other passengers were furious, arguing information was scarce.
Where is the person to say at least some sort of assurance? Nobody. This is 2023. This is a country that I vowed for, I would die for. And look at 2023, that we're still having this antiquated, outdated system.
They are saying they're not responsible for putting us up overnight or anything like that. You know, it's an airport authority that's responsible. I didn't sign an agreement with the airport though for transportation. I signed it with the airline to pick me up and deliver me, and they're not delivering.
The Sangster International Airport was closed for hours due to issues with construction activities to extend the runway.
So we're experiencing a technical issue with the runway at the Sangster International Airport. The runway is not damaged in any way.
52 flights were scheduled to operate from the airport. 11 were cancelled and some were rerouted to Norman Manley International in Kingston. Bus operators with due to tours were busy, even making supermarket runs.
Getting food items for people on board a Delta flight. Well, so far we've been bused over 300 people to Kingston already. And we're taking people to hotels in around Montego Bay where rooms are available.
Sangster International Airport connects Jamaica to more than 60 international destinations. Roughly 4.7 million people used the airport in 2019. $140 million has been set aside to continue modernizing the airport, including the runway extension project.